In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Distrokid account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to enter, and how to get your account fully set up so you can start releasing music. First, open your browser and head to the official Distrokid website. Make sure you're on the real site, not an ad or a lookalike. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button and click it. This takes you straight into the account creation flow. Next, you'll enter your basic information. Type in a valid email address you check regularly, create a strong password you won't forget, and add your artist or band name. Use the name you plan to release music under so everything matches across streaming platforms. If you're unsure about the exact spelling or punctuation, take a moment to decide now. Consistency helps your fans find you later. Once everything looks good, continue to move forward. Now it's time to choose a subscription plan. Distrokid is a paid service, and there's no permanent free tier, so you'll select the plan that fits your needs. The Musician plan is designed for a single artist and is great if you're just getting started. Musician Plus adds extra features like enhanced stats and more customization options. If you manage multiple artists, look at the label plans, which are built for releasing music under several artist names. Pricing and features can change, so review the current details on the pricing page before you commit. Pick the plan that aligns with how you plan to release music this year, not just today. After that, you'll add your payment method. DistroKid typically accepts major credit or debit cards, and in some regions, PayPal is available. Enter your billing details carefully and double check everything before you submit. For your security, make sure you're on a secure connection and only provide payment info on the official site. Once payment is processed, DistroKid may send a verification email to confirm your account. Open your inbox, look for the message, and click the verification link. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folders and give it a couple of minutes in case of delays. Verification helps keep your account secure and ensures you receive important updates. That's it. You've created your DistroKid account. From here, you can explore your dashboard, review your settings, and when you're ready, start uploading your music. Thanks for watching, and enjoy releasing your tracks.